This is the BTECH UV-Pro when I'm putting it on my desk. You can see I got hand mics laying here, can't really do anything with them. Radio won't stand up. If it does stand up, then I can't really see the screen unless I'm looking all the way down here at it. Let me show you what we did to help fix this problem. Now, everything stays secure, everything stays where you want it. Your radio's not going to go anywhere. You have access to microphone, all the plugs on the side. You can even charge it while it's in the dock. Life is good. See the link, get yours today.